Okay, welcome back to this daily dose of mathematics. So today we're going to discuss some problems here. Okay, now I'm going to write some theorem. What is the theorem that we're going to prove? We need to prove what is 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, that will be equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and that will be equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, and this is the thing we need to prove. So now I'm going to prove this one. Okay, proof. Let tan inverse of x is equal to theta. So this one I can write x is equal to tan theta. Okay, what is x equals to tan theta? Now what is sine 2 theta? What is sine 2 theta? One formula is the sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta into cos theta. This is one formula. Another formula we have 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is the formula. So now what happens here is, you see here, this is x is equal to tan theta. So instead of this tan theta, we can replace this x. So here we are going to replace. So that will be equal to 2 into x divided by 1 plus x square. That is equal to what? Sine 2 theta. Okay, so 2 theta is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, but what is theta exactly here? You can see theta is equal to, we have assumed that is tan inverse of x. So instead of this theta, we can replace tan inverse of x. Okay, so I'm going to replace here. So 2 into tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, now we have seen that this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer we needed to prove. So now we are done with this one. Okay, now I will prove this one. So you can see here, already we have assumed this is the, this is this one is we are assuming. Okay, now we can see that what is the tan 2 theta formula. What is the tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta means tan theta plus theta. So that will be equal to tan theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. Okay, so that will be equal to 2 into tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So that is going to be 2 into, what is tan theta exactly? We see here tan theta is equal to x. So instead of this tan theta, we are going to replace x. So 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, so now what we have seen is tan 2 theta is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now what is 2 theta? This tan if it brings to the right hand side, it is going to be tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, but what is theta? Theta is equal to, you see here, this is tan inverse of x. Okay, you see here, what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Now I'm going to replace this theta by tan inverse of x. So it is going to be 2 into tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, this one. Next one, the next one, you do this, please. This is the homework for you. Okay, you do the next one. Now I'm going to do another problem here. What is the problem here? 2 into tan inverse of x, that is going to sine inverse of 2x 1 minus x square. Okay, this is one problem, and you do the second problem is 3 tan inverse of x. Sorry, it's not 3 tan inverse of x exactly, it is sine inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Now 3 problem is 2 cos inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. Again, fourth is 3 cos inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, and the next problem is 3 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x under square root 1 minus x square. Okay, now I'm going to solve which one? I'm going to solve this one. Okay, you see here 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x 1 minus x square. Okay, under square root. Let, it's not tan exactly, this is sine. Okay, this is sine inverse of x. Sorry, this one is just sine inverse of x. Okay, now we know that let first sine inverse of x is equal to theta, so x will be sine theta. Okay, x is sine theta. We know that sine 2 theta formula. What is sine 2 theta formula? 2 into sine theta into cos theta. This is the 2 into sine theta formula. So 2 into, what is sine theta? Sine theta as it is. But what is cos theta? Cos theta means, we know that from this formula cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So if we are going to remove this square, so it is going to be under square root 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so here it is, what is cos theta? Instead of this cos theta, we are going to replace here. So this one we can put here. So now we can write, instead of cos theta, under square root 1 minus sine square theta. But what is sine theta exactly? You can see here sine theta means this x. So instead of this sine theta, you are going to replace this x. Again here you replace x. So the formula is going to be 2 into x under square root 1 minus x square. Okay, but we know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2x under square root 1 minus x square. So 2 theta is equal to sine inverse of 2x 1 minus x square. Okay, now theta is equal to 2 into theta, but we know that theta is equal to sine theta. So theta is equal to sine inverse of x. So instead of this theta we are going to write sine inverse of x. So write sine inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x 1 minus x square. Okay, now we have proved. This is the final answer we needed to prove. Okay, now similar we can go for this one. here. But before that, we need to know what is a sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta formula is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is the formula, sine 3 theta. So now we can replace this sine theta. Sine theta is equal to what? X. You can see here sine theta is equal to x. So now you replace the sine theta by x. So here also sine theta by x. So this is going to be 3 into sine theta minus 4 into sine theta whole cube. So this is going to be 3 into x minus 4 into x cube. But this is a sine 3 theta. 3 theta is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay. Now theta is going to be, now what is theta? Theta is nothing but, you can see here, theta is equal to sine inverse of x. Now you replace this theta by sine inverse of x. So now 3 into sine inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, this is the final answer. This is the answer we wanted to bring. Okay, now you do the next one, the rest of the problems, this one, and this one. Okay, this is a homework for you. Okay, and I will do one more problem. We'll do one more problem. What is that? Prove that sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square. This is the thing we need to prove. Okay, and the remaining problems I am going to give, that will be homework for you. Cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of xy minus 1 minus x square 1 minus y square under square root. Okay, similarly third problem will be sine inverse of x minus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x 1 minus y square minus y into 1 minus x square. And the next one will be cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y is equal to cos inverse of xy plus 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square under square root. These are the four problems we need to solve. I'm going to do the first one. And the rest you need to do by yourself. Okay, now you see the first one. You see the first one. What is the first one? Sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square. Okay, this will be the first one. So we need to assume something. Assume, but let, okay, both are same meaning. Let sine inverse of x is equal to theta 1 and sine inverse of y will be equal to theta 2. So this is going to be x is equal to sine theta 1, y is going to be sine theta 2. Okay, now sine theta 2, Now we need to know the formula of sine theta 1 plus theta 2. What is sine theta 1 plus theta 2? We know the sine a plus b formula. This is sine theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1 into sine theta 2. But we know only the value of sine theta 1 and sine theta 2. So we are going to convert this cos theta 2 and cos theta 1 into sine theta. Again use the formula. What is the formula? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So cos theta will be equal to under square root 1 minus sine square theta. So here if it is theta 1, it is going to be theta 1. Okay. So now we can replace this formula where? Here. So sine theta 1 into what is cos theta 2? Cos theta 2 is equal to 1 minus sine square theta 2 plus similarly this one will be under square root 1 minus sine square theta 1 into sine theta 2. Okay. Now you replace, because we know that x is equal to sine theta 1 and y is equal to sine theta 2. Now we can replace here which one will become x and which one will become y. So you can see sine theta 1 is equal to sine theta 1 is equal to x. So x into under square root 1 minus y square, because sine theta 2 is y plus under square root 1 minus x square into y. So this one also I can write like this without loss of generality, plus y into 1 minus x square. Okay, but you can see here sine theta 1 plus theta 2. So theta 1 plus theta 2 is going to be sine inverse of x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square. Okay, but what is theta 1 exactly? Theta 1 exactly is sine inverse of x, and what is theta 2? There is sine inverse of y. So now instead of the theta 1 and theta 2, we are going to replace sine inverse of x and sine inverse of y. So it is going to be sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y is equal to sine inverse of x into 1 minus y square plus y into 1 minus x square. Okay, this is the final answer that we have brought. This is the final answer. Okay, and the rest thing is you need to do by yourself, because this is a homework and the rest is homework for you. Now you can use the here you can use sine theta 1 minus theta 2 formula. Okay, similarly here you can use cos theta 1 plus theta 2 formula. Again use here cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 formula here. Okay, I believe that you all know the formula. Okay, thank you. I am going to stop here.